Assalamu alaikum. A very warm welcome to this day. And today we are going to discuss about ethical violation in our film industry and media industry. The role of media in Pakistan society is tridimensional. That is informing the public. Second one is the educating the illiterate and providing entertainment. It has both positive and negative impact. Well, we will discuss it further on. Mass media has given us a platform to our voice and opinion on different social and political issues and share information with one another. The main objective of media is to keep a close eye on the misdeeds and wrongdoings of government and reports to the masses. Movies, dramas, documentaries, and programs which promote Islamic and Eastern culture and message of peace and harmony, unity, love, have very positive impact on our society and ethics. But on other hand, we have a negative impact also in our media that Pakistani society and ethics are facing. The media with their ruthless culture have diffusing a culture of combined family which all the members live with the unity. Pakistani society is experiencing an irrational of practical religion nowadays. Sometimes the information reported by the media is and Pakistani channels are promoting Western culture more than Pakistani culture. Youth is more influenced by this, and it is a bad way for the youth that they are going in a bad way and which is unethical and against our religion, values, and morals. Other than this, Pakistani movies and straight drama are also depicting a negative image of Pakistani culture. The straight drama, in the name of comedy, are actually exploiting women's image and in the worst way and humiliating their existence. TV channels have a focus on a policy or more than getting their viewership in their financial terms to get more profit and in order to grab more profit. In Pakistan, CPNE and PFGUG have developed a code of ethics which they are not following. Actually, mass media here allows involved in a race of popularity, politics, and intention to break news and could not manage to deliver the quality of information to the audience. Media ethics kept the journalism and culture industry with the responsibility to perform to the betterment of the society.
I have visited many commercial and non-commercial theatres myself, and my study has led to me to believe that commercial theatres are just a source of promoting vulgarity and generating income. Plays and dramas shown at these commercial theatres do not depict cultural values of our societies. Use of indecent language and gender stereotypes are integral part of commercial theatres. Recent Pakistani stage dramas have many demerits and drawbacks, especially the role of male and female is very shameful and vulgar, which is very unethical. Passing of vulgar comments and jokes, use of abuses, forcing male gender in female get-up. In the recent stage drama, Hont Rasile Tere, artist, which is made by artist Iftikhar Thakur, and he is saying to artist Didar, which is a female artist, Tenu Sari Raat Nachama Sadi Farmaish De. In another drama which is in Kajra Re Naina, male artists are continuously pushing Didar and Nargis for dance. These artists are saying, you are here just for dancing. In a stage show artist, Naseem Vicky, which is an artist, he is performing on the vulgar song Kundi Na Khadka Sonia Sida Andar Aa in female get-up, which is a very vulgar in our society.
Now we talk about the news channels, the news media. The first point is the sensationalism. Breaking news of news channels is incomplete without sensation. The already frightened nation gets more frightened when bomb blasts are sensationalized by showing dead bodies and by sad background. Exaggeration. Exaggeration means to magnify beyond the limits of truth. Negative exaggeration glamorizes issues, competition for rating. Channels are engaged in competition for rating. No interest in the betterment of countries. The sole aim of TV channel is to maximize their profit by getting their ratings and to fight between their guests. Destroying national image. Due to media, foreign countries think that the Pakistan is full of corruption. Responsibility of media should be to broadcast the right news without crushing the image of nation. It's the requirement of the time that our media should work for the positive and real soft image of Pakistan. The media should not use the negative tools to increase their viewership.
Dramas are instrument in shaping a person's minds and attitudes. People put much of what is being shown on dramas into practice. Men are shown as authoritative and decision makers, whereas women is shown as stupid and unable to take decisions. The dramas are far from depicting the reality. There is too much foreign and Indian impact on our culture. Dramas left a negative impact on our society, such as hatred, greed, and jealousy. These behavior entered in our house, and females of our country were largely affected. Substandard play also influenced the fashion sense of our people. Major content of today's dramas is vulgar and indecent. Islamic values got faded away as apparently unmarried couple living under the same roof as husband and wife. Rishte kuch adhure se. There is no concept of girlfriend and boyfriend in Islam, but now it is very common in our youth. It is because of our dramas. If we talk about the impact of dramas on our customs, dramas has badly affected our norms and cultures and values like pregnancy to abortion. Extramarital affairs, maids are being used as object for physical pleasure by male employees. Like every second drama is frustrating the culture in second marriages and illegal activities in our society, as well as in our religion. I will name some of the dramas such as Zard Mausam, Mera Yakeen Sherazad. By the kindness of drama industry, Pakistan is making new records in suicide, murders, physical abuse, and second marriages and divorce. There is a report on Dunya TV of Gujranwala that the female court has separated as many as 45,000 couples out of 50,000 couples applied for divorce. The report says that the main collapse of the family collapse occurs due to the failure of love marriage. Impact of Western and Indian culture in our society. I hope you have something in your mind to think after watching this video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.